Mama, I thank you, Mom, that it's Happy Mother's Day. I'm so proud. I love my father. I love my mom and dad. My dad says Happy Mother's Day, and it's really good. I love you, Jesus. I love you really much. I love you, Mom. I love you really much, Mom. Bye. I love you. Have peace. Sleep. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Mama, I love you. I adore you. I thank God He made you my mom. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. I really adore you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Jesus, I love you, Mom. Thank you for feeding me, washing me, doing everything, washing me, feed me. Jesus, I love you too. I love everybody, my whole family. This Happy Mother's Day. And I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. It's Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Love you, Mama. Love you, Mama. Love you, Mama. Love you, Mama. Thank you, Jesus, for sending Andy.